Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to use Quick Chat in World of Warships. Quick Chat lets you communicate fast without typing. First, get into battle, and to open Quick Chat, press B on your keyboard. This brings up the command wheel. Use your mouse to select a message, then press B to release it. Use mouse to select a message, and then release while hovering on the message, release B to send your message. Common Quick Chat commands include requesting support, calling for focus fire, warning about enemies, and thanking teammates. You can also use quick commands. Press F3 while aiming at an enemy to request focus fire. Press F5 on a capture point to ask for support. And to customize Quick Chat, click Escape, go to Settings, and click on the Controls tab. Once you're here, click on the Communications tab, and here you can edit the keybinds for your quick commands. Quick Chat messages appear instantly for your team, making coordination easier during battles. And that's it. That is how you use Quick Chat in World of Warships.